Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the voice chat only in your headset on your PlayStation 5 so you can get the audio still through your TV speakers. So to do this, what we want to do is go to Settings, scroll on down to Sound right here and select this. Then go to Audio Output, go to the right, and then scroll on down. And there will be one setting down here under Headphones. It says Output to Headphones. So I have all the audio going to my headset right now. If I select this, I can go to just voice chat right here. So I can get the voice chat inside my headset only, and then I can get the game sound coming through my TV. So this is a very easy setting to switch around. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.